Hello there, welcome to our YouTube channel, Stock News Today. Let's explore today's market status and current news. The information contained in this video is for information and education purpose only and should not be construed as financial advice. I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor and do not hold any qualifications to provide financial guidance. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor to discuss your specific investment goals and risk tolerance. The initial optimism with Sensex and Nifty recording the initial optimism with Sensex and Nifty reaching record high. The Indian share market started the day on June 10, 2024 with bang. Both Sensex and Nifty reached record highs in intraday trading fueled by positive sentiment following the formation of new government under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. However, this enthusiasm waned as the day progressed and the market ended flat. Sensex closed around 200 points lower than its opening and Nifty finished near 23,260. The top gainers in Nifty index are Ultratech Cement up by 3.47%, Grasim Industries up by 2.81%, Hero MotoCorp up by 2.51%, Cipla up by 2.47%, Power Grid Corporation of India up by 2.09%. The top losers at Nifty index are Tech Mahindra down by 2.70%, Infosys down by 2.21%, Wipro down by 1.92%, Mahindra and Mahindra down by 1.75%, LTI Mahindra down by 1.48%. Today's FII and DII activity. FIIs were net sellers on June 10th, pulling out a moderate amount of money from the Indian markets. This could be due to global risk aversion or portfolio rebalancing strategies. Conversely, domestic institutional investors (DIIs) continue to be net buyers, providing some support to the market. Let's say a broader market outperformance. Despite the flat closing of benchmark indices, a silver lining emerged from the performance of the broader market. Mid-cap and small-cap indices, which represent smaller companies, outperformed their larger counterparts. Both indices witnessed gains exceeding 1%, indicating investor confidence in the growth potential of these companies. Let's dive more into today's market news. Muffin Green Source. This NBFC company saw a 10% jump after a rating upgrade. Shares of NBFC company Muffin Green witnessed a 10% rise after receiving an upgrade from credit rating agency Acute Ratings, therefore likely boosted investor confidence leading to stock price surge. Paytm rebounds. The digital payment platform showed signs of recovery, crossing the 400 mark again. Once 97 Communications, the parent company of digital payment platform Paytm, saw a significant stock price surge, crossing the 400 rupees mark again after reaching an all-time low in May. This could be due to various factors like increased adoption of digital payments in India, Paytm's efforts to improve its business model and profitability, investor optimism about the future of the digital payments sector. Crude impact. Lower oil prices made paints, aviation, and chemical companies smile. The decline in global crude oil prices sparked positive sentiment in sectors like paint, aviation, and chemical. These industries rely heavily on oil as raw material, and lower prices translates to cost saving and potential higher profit margins. Lupin restructuring. This pharma giant announced a business transfer for its trade generics business. Pharmaceutical giant Lupin announced a business transfer agreement to create a separate entity for its trade generics business in India. This move could streamline operations and unlock further growth potential. Restructuring can be undertaken for various reasons. Here are some possibilities: increased efficiency, strategic focus, unlocking growth potential. USFDA observations. Jubilant Pharma received observations for one of its facilities, raising some concerns. Jubilant Pharma, another Indian pharmaceutical company, received observations from the US Food and Drug Administration (USFDA) for one of its manufacturing facilities. This could raise concerns about potential production delays or disruptions. This could lead to production delays or disruptions, Additional scrutiny and inspections by the US FDA, increased costs of Jubilee and Formor to address observations and ensure compliances. Jindal Stainless Defense Army gets clearance for a rifle. This news signifies a positive development for Jindal Stainless Defense Army, which focuses on aerospace and defense products. The Indian Army approval for their rifle indicates that the product meets the requirement for quality, performance, and reliability. Potential impact: this clearance could lead to increased order volume for the rifle from the Indian Army, enhanced reputation and credibility for Jindal Stainless Defense Army, potentially attracting furthermore contacts, growth in the company's defense sector revenue. Inox Wind establishes wind farm development subsidiaries. This news highlights Inox Wind's commitment to expanding its presence in the renewable energy sector. By establishing dedicated subsidiaries for wind farm development, the company can streamline its production and operations, potentially acquire land for wind farm projects more efficiently, manage the development process more effectively, leading to faster project completions, increase its overall wind power generation capability. Gland Pharma appoints new CEO. The appointment of a CEO at Gland Pharma could signal potential shift in company strategy. It's important to consider any statements or plans announced by the company regarding future direction, market reaction to the appointment, positive or negative. Government focuses on digitalizing Indian railways, requiring robust telecom infrastructure. The surge in RailTel's share reflects investor confidence in the company's future prospects. Rising telecom demand can be attributed to factors such as increased internet penetration in India, growing adoption of mobile data services. Government focuses on digitalizing Indian railways, requiring robust telecom infrastructure. Arts and Engineering wins project from Guwahati International Airport. This news translates to a positive development for Arts and Engineering, a company specializing in pre-engineered steel buildings. Winning a project from Guwahati International Airport strengthens their order book and potentially leads to increased revenue for the company, enhanced brand reputation within the airport construction sector, opportunities for further project with other airports or infrastructure companies. Godavari Power considers share buyback. A share buyback by Godavari Power indicates the company is confident in its future performance and a potential strategy to return value to shareholders, boost investor confidence by demonstrating a strong financial position, increase share price through reduced supply in the market. A note on IPO watch. Coronex Lab Sciences gave its IPO debut, witnessing a jump of over 21% on its listing date. Ixigo IPO was launched on June 10th. The travel company Ixigo launched its IPO on June 10th, attracting investor interest in the online travel booking sector. The future direction of Indian share market will likely be influenced by several factors including the government's 100-day action plan and union budget announcements. Budget allocations and policies can cause significant influence in various sectors. Global economic cues like interest rates and commodity plan. To wrap up this session, the market was in favor of the buyers. Around 2,603 stocks advanced, 362 stocks declined, and 137 stocks remain unchanged. Thank you.